came and went, they slammed them doors. But I kicked back harder, feet through floors. Still got pain, still got demons awaken, but I'm back in the ring and risk worth taking. Years in the gutter, I was fighting for breath, feeling like I was sitting at the table with death. Blackouts hitting like a switch got flipped, body going roll while my mind blasted. Well, turned ghost, couldn't handle my fight, like I'm some broken bed that ain't worth the night. But I wasn't begging for favors or fake validation, just trying to survive this slow suffocation. Told I'm a risk, yeah, I heard it all, from the whispers at work to recruiters' calls. But I still got fists and I still got pride, so I climbed out the trench with my soul still tied. I was down, I was written off, labeled a joke, like I'm some kind of gamble no one wants to provoke. Sick to the core, they said I'm past saving, now look who's breathing. A risk worth take, jobs came and went, they slammed them doors. But I kicked back harder, feet through floors. Still got pain, still got demons awaken, but I'm back in the ring, a risk worth taking. But I weren't alone, not the whole damn ride. My wife held strong till she never let slide. She saw me at zero, still call me a king. Told me you've got this, we'll weather this thing. And my boys, my sons, my heart, my drive gave me a reason just to stay alive. Even when I could barely raise my head, their laughter lit sparks in a soul half dead. They didn't see illness, they saw their dad didn't care. I was broke, didn't care, I was mad. They saw love in the silence, strength in my faking. They made me believe I was risk worth taking. Now every knockback's just fueling my tank, and every no they threw just built my rank. I ain't grinding for praise or social approval, I'm grinding for dinners, birthdays, renewals. Still scarred, still shook, but I'm standing proud. My day one's behind me, shouting loud, so you can judge my past and doubt my making, but I'll rise for them, I'm risk worth taking. They said I was done, that I'd never bounce back, but they ain't seen love like the strength I pack. A wife will never waver, boys will stay true. That's the kind of army that pulls you through. Risk worth taking.